Hello, this is the Trade Detective, and today I wanted to show you a free trial of a stock scanning tool with a very powerful and unique feature set, and that is the ability to run a Fibonacci retracement level stock screen. And I'm making this video on the back of the video that Adam Hewison at Market Club did today about Fibonacci retracements in the market. And for those of you who are unfamiliar, the Fibonacci retracement levels are used for several things. It can be used for setting profit targets and stop losses and entry points and looking for areas of support and resistance in a price pattern of a stock. And so it would seem to me that if you had the ability to scan for stocks using the Fibonacci retracement levels, bearish and bullish, that you would have yourself a very powerful trading tool. So I did a little research on the internet, and what I found was this tool here. And let me make it so you can see the web page. The name of the tool is Ramp, and the URL is here. I've highlighted it on the top of the screen. And it's very easy to install. You just click the download now button and follow the instructions on the page. And this is a trial. Obviously it will run out at some point and you'll have to pay for the tool, but at least at first you can give a chance to use it and see what the capabilities are. So what I've done is I've already installed the tool, and this is what it looks like here. And what you can see is that you can do several things with this particular tool. There are some settings that you can set to refine what really is a Fibonacci retracement level and the pivot points that are associated with retracement levels. You can ask it to search on and display the 38, 50, and 62% retracement levels, as well as extensions. And you can do a search for bullish and bearish retracement levels by clicking these find downward or find upward retracements or extensions. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to run the upward retracement, and I'm going to hit run scan. Okay, the scan is run, and just real quick, what I wanted to show you is that this data is the closing price data of the stocks in the S&P 500. I haven't looked to see if you can add a different data source or add symbols that are not on the S&P 500, but I'm fairly sure that you can. It gives you the option to select a symbol list, so my guess is that you should be able to select whatever you want. In either case, the scan is run. It has found several stocks here. You can see the list here, and then what happens is it produces a list of stock charts, and you can see the retracement levels. Let me make this a little larger. Okay, and so you can see the retracement levels. This is AFL, and you can see that it is just broken through the 38% retracement level. And typically when you see something like this, it means that the stock has got some room to run, and you'll want to look at other factors, but you know, such as the price pattern. There's not a whole lot to see in this particular one right now, but depending on what the pattern is, you might see it go to 62%. And if it breaks 62%, then you could say maybe this downtrend is now reversed and is becoming a bullish trend. And you could do that for all these other stocks. Here's another one that's at the 38% level. Here's one that's broken all the way up to the 50% retracement level. And you know, so on and so on. Here's one that's actually looking like it may be trying to, this is Masco Corporation, that's trying to get out of this long-term downtrend and go bullish. And if it were to break and hold above this 62 retracement level, you could ride this thing from about 15. In fact, it's at 14.99, so about 15 all the way up into the 20s. So that would be a really nice gain there based on a simple stock scan. There are many ways to use Fibonacci retracements. I highly recommend looking at some of the videos that Adam Hewison has done on marketclub.com, and I will include those links below the video. So go ahead and take a look. Take care.